going out for a bit. Welcome folks, just going out for a bit, and today, this evening, the cusp of the evening now, a few things we're going to try tonight is a Hungarian Zeltbahn stroke lavu. Nice canvas tent, World War II construction sort of stuff. We're going to give that a go with the addition of the tri-P, which is something which should give us a bit more space inside. I've had the tent for quite a while, and I never like a big pole in the middle. I'm not much a fan of pole dancing, so especially my age in life. So right, so I'm going to give this a go, and also we're going to have a little bit of an evening meal using the vermiculite stove, which I was so proudly messing around with last time. So we're going to give it a proper run for its money tonight. Can't be bad. Right, so let's crack on and let's get moving. Here's the Zeltbahn. This one comes in a weird combination of brown, green and tan sort of colours. I have seen them in a lot more lurid colouring, but mine seems to have gone all dull. But not to worry, it's all waterproofed. I've done that myself. It's all looking good. Right, I'll just throw it on the floor because that's where we're going to go, because now we're going to talk to the next bit. No poles, you say? No poles. What we do have is one of these. Now if you can see, made by a firm called Rough Timber, and you just go on Etsy and get it, and tri-P what's called. So I got that because there's no poles. I've not brought them with me, so that's how it is. So next is I need to go and create my own poles. So I'll wander around here with a knife in my hand. We'll see you in a minute. Okay. Right, as you can sort of see, the tri-P is all together. Sticks are about 1.8 meters in length, although if you do decide to get one of these sort of things, and they're relatively quite cheap off Etsy, I think they're about 1.8 meters in length, which is about the same size as my forehead. So, there you go. Right, next step, put this canvas over the top and peg it all out. And I'll present to you one Hungarian Zeltbahn. Itself, it's a square signature on the floor, you could say, and whereas the TP tri-P is, I think, designed for the lavu, which is more octagonal. But hey, it does work. I've just had to shorten the rear one to get it all in, so to say. Now, let's have a look with me inside. Now, truth be told, it's not the biggest. You know, it's got no ground sheet, but yeah, it'll work. Stuff to place your stuff there. Plenty of storage space there. So far, so good. Got a little thing on the top of the bottom of the tripod to hold a torch or a lamp, which I can do. Yeah, you know what, I think you can pick these up for about 30 quid or so, you know, £30. It's not bad, it's not bad. Okay, right, well, I'll make myself a little bit more comfortable and settle in for the night. We can start thinking about some sustenance on a warm fluid for me, you know, because I do deserve it. I'll go for a wander and see how good the Zeltbahn blends in. Bearing in mind shape, shadow, and all that sort of stuff. It's just up, so it's just the camouflage and the profile, but it's quite good. I haven't got to crawl in, you know. I can almost crouch in, you know, so I'm not going to get myself too muddy on all this over here. Right, see you in a minute. I think we're about 30 meters away. Dead ahead. So as you can see from the dark sky behind me, it's now dark in the woods, and it's time to have something to chuck inside of me. So remember my vermiculite from our last video? Well, here it is. That's a nice Christmassy tin which I had hanging around. And now in the blowy woods, time for a drink. Oops. And to think about what's going on next, because we're going to have a little bit of beef, yep, proper beef, with some Korean beef noodles, and yeah, we'll just chuck that down inside of me. Not bad at all. Right, see you in a minute. Well, my little IKEA burning lovely. That light there. And for my head torch. See about light discipline. So there you go. No light coming from that at all. Very good. I'm impressed with that. What I'm not so impressed with is that burner still. Pretty rubbish still, so I'm going to put it on. Back to basics. Needs must. But I bet that cook a darn sight quicker than that vermiculite rubbish. Right. So, my steak and noodles, superb. They cooked up nicely on the old IKEA stove. So, lucky I bought a backup today. And that really is about all I'm doing for tonight. We'll mess around with the fire a bit more, search the internet, see what's going on in the world, and gently calm down and enjoy the silence. Right, Time now to dim things down, and we'll see you in the morning, folks. Till later. Right, there's not a lot to look at. But it's home for the night. It's big enough. You know, the poles are sturdy. You know, the pole would be right here, and I can roll around as I tend to do. So far, the little tripod is very good. Very good indeed. Right, folks, I'm going to crash now. All that sort of stuff. See you in the morning. Take care all. You get to sleep, and then you hear Dear Edge. Morning, everyone. Oh. Been awake for about 10 minutes or so. Fitful night, but dreamt, so it was productive. I was just listening to the wind and the dawn chorus. Very good. Although I will get up in a minute. Just 5 minutes more. As you can see, superb camouflage. See the white bag on the tree trunk. Very good. Right. Final thoughts. The Zeltbahn, very nice. Alright, it's good. It's good. Bit small, you know, and I'm not a great fan of having slugs and snails crawl over me during the night, so one of these things happen, but no, what it is good, it's good for, say, the light discipline. You know, no one could see you were in there, so that's really good. The camouflage is quite good as well, isn't it? So I'm quite happy with that. That vermiculite stone thing, that's done and dusted. That's never going to see the light of day again. I'm not going to bother with that. Wasting my time and my meths. So thank God I brought the old IKEA stove along and some kindling to get it going. But above all, it's been very nice and quiet night. I was hoping to stalk some deer. I got quite close and then they ran away. But there's plenty of deer poop all around and where they've been lying down, so unfortunately I couldn't get that to you, but that's by and by. Okay, for now, while my battery runs out on my camera, okay, I bid you farewell. Thank you for coming and joining me for the night. Until next time, we'll see you again. All right. All clean.